what is going on, everybody? Today we're gonna be working on the slow B. My bad, I mean stock B. We're gonna be.
That's not funny. No, that's not funny, bro.
It's a little funny, bro. It's a little funny. So today we're gonna be re-welding his exhaust hinges. They did snap off. Even made a nice chunk of hole right here. And we are feeling the little foam or the little fiber stuff.
Hey, bro, don't show them that. They're gonna see my car on the street and
they're gonna stab it with a screwdriver. So right now, what I just did right now on this side, I cut the hinge and I shortened it so we could raise the exhaust up a little bit. And I put an angle on it, and I'm gonna weld it more on this side, like back here, and then I'm gonna go cut the other angle, the other hinge as well, and then we're gonna get it welded up. I do have a little welder, guys. It's a stick welder, and I think it's gonna work. It should work. So what we're gonna do is, once I get that one cut up, I'm gonna jack up the car just a little bit, put some jack stands, and then get to tacking. So let me show you this other one right here and how it broke off and how it looks broken off and where I'm gonna cut it up. So that's where it snapped off from. I guess all the weight or all the pulls that this slow guy does has been cutting him up. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut it to where those lines are on an angle, and then yeah, we're gonna see if we can. We got everything cut up. We got everything grinded. I'm gonna grind it up here so I could have a nice ground contact. We disconnected the battery. Make sure you guys always disconnect your batteries before you guys weld. We got to weld. We're gonna start tacking some welds here, and then we're gonna do the same thing. I just lifted that one on top. So yeah, let me get these welds in, and then yeah, let's see how it comes out. Well, we'll see if it holds or if it falls off, guys. Not the best welder, but we get her done, baby. We got some tack welds right here, and we get her done. All right, moment of truth. Lower it and see if it cracks.
Cracks is crazy. I already see it.
Yeah. Nah, loco.
Wait, am I on man or not?
Hey, they held on. Look, pretty good, guys.
Can I be the last time you call my car slow?
Say please. Say please.
Nah.
Ah, pues no,
I
loco.
deserve my respect.
Nah, bro.
Hey, let's race, me and you.
Bet a foot race.
Nah. The Teggy versus me.
I'm down.
The winner gets the cash and the respect.
All I care is for the
guys,
respect.
there
she is. She's all out. My brother's about to go out. He took the hatch out. He's also looking way better. Welds look pretty good. I think the whole. We'll let you know. We'll keep you guys updated. But eventually, he is gonna get a Skunk 2 exhaust, and yeah, it's gonna make the car sound really good. We're gonna take it to our friends down at T2 to make sure this car is running good, because I think when we put the B series ECU, it's still running on the D series. If you guys remember or don't remember, but when we put the D series, it runs like a little Subi. But once we get it right, yeah, hell yeah, we're gonna be doing pulls left and right. And like how he said, he wants to run the hatch, but you know, I don't think he wants to work just yet. I mean the Teggy, but I don't think he wants to work just yet. But all right, guys, we're gonna show you when he's taking off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
See